A very good morning, doctor. I'm Sharma Ramesh. My magic number is AP190426 and I'm from group number 10. And these are my group members, which is Alvin, Fon Jun Kai, Si Cheng Wan, Tan Zi Chong, and Ting Heng Che. Today I'm going to give an explanation about the activity 1 which we have done Situ Nusain Malaysia. The group 10 had done the task. The first task, which is activity 1, is leveling. We're using the total station for the task to take our readings. The range of our leveling reading is from the faculty FPTP to the library Tunku Tun Amina, which located at the University Tun Hussein. The benchmark, which called as a BM, is from our FPTP, and the library will be our temporary benchmark, which is TBM. So the working procedure is before start the task, we had to prepare the equipment and apparatus that needed like tripod stand, level instrument, and leveling staff. They have important steps that we need to follow properly. That is, take backside reading the range the instrument to the first reading from benchmark, and foresight FS reading taken from the instrument in front of the pole. These are the materials which we use: total station, a leveling staff, and tripod stand. Okay, now I'm going to tell the procedure to set up the total station, which we have to make sure that the tripod legs should be equally spaced. The tripod head should be approximately level. Head should be directly over the survey point. Mount the instrument on the tripod properly. Secure with the entering screw while bracing the instrument with other hand. Adjust the 3 leveling screws slowly to get the bubble in the circular level in the center. If the circular level is not in the center, the leveling instrument is not straight, is not ready to taking the reading. Focus on the optical plummet on the survey point. Try to read the stuff. If cannot see stuff clearly, means use focusing through to focus the stuff until get the clear reading. So our group members will holding the stuff at the BS, and the tripod stand will be at the FS. So we will be take the reading from the FS, so which show 1.27, and after that we have to just move the things. So the leveling start, it will be moved to from BS to FS. So the total station F also have to turn. So these are the readings which we took. First of all, the BS is 1.274, then the FS is 1.474, then BS 1.349, then FS 1.236, BS is 1.400, FS is 1.415, BS is 1.368, then FS is 1.550, then BS is 1.411, and then last BS FS is 1.115. And these are the results which we gained from the activity 1. For the activity 2. The activity 2, that group 10 have done the task for earthwork with cut and fill the area of FPTP Building University to Nusain Malaysia. The cut and fill method is the process of leveling slopes and creating cuts, canals, and dikes on the construction site by removing soil from one point to another point, using it as a filling for another point. Technique for procedure have several distinct benefits, the most attractive of which are the time and cost saving the process offers. Are no offsite secondary excavation involved, cut and fill operation, no large site featuring complex topography, and generally carry out according to plan calculated specialized by software application. The materials that we used are measuring tape, total station, leveling staff, tripod stand, staff bubble, and spray, which we get from the total station. First of all, we have to using the measuring tape, and with the distance of 10 meter we have to get the point from A to I. After that, after we get the distance, we have to spray that point with the red color spray. Then we will be keep the total station at the TBM point. So in each point, for example at the A, our group member will be holding the staff. So from the TBM point we will be look at the leveling stuff, we will get on reading. So we have to repeat the same things A to and at to the last point. So two members will be read and record the result, and another two will hold the stuff, and another two members will plot the point. So these are the points which we gain from the throttle station at the TBM point. Okay, now we are going to have a look at the video. Today I'm going to give an explanation about the activity 3 which we done on 5th January 8:30 am at FPTP. Okay, these are the materials which we used. First one is the throttle station, second one is the single prism throttle station, third one is the measuring tape, and fourth one is string. We also use pin and hammer. First one we done the throttle station method, which we have to keep both station. The right hand side is the single prism throttle station and the left hand side is the throttle prism station. And down there we already keep two pin at the two corner. So after we fix the single prism and throttle station, we have to do the leveling until we can view the pin at the length of the throttle station. After that, we will look from the throttle station to the single prism station. The distance we will look via the lens, which we are able to get almost 11.97. Okay, now we are going to have a look at the second method, which is 3-4-5 method. Okay, for this method, first of all, we keep the pin at the left hand side and another pin at the right hand side. So from the left hand side pin, we moved 1.2 meter to get the uh, to 1.2 meter, and from there we just moved 3 meter. So from there we tied the string from the 1 meter to 3 meter. So after that, from the 1.2 meter we have to move to left hand side, which is 4 meter. So from the 4 meter pin to the 3 meter pin, we have to measure using the measuring tape, which we have to get 5 meter. So after that, we will be tied the string to three main points. So we will be get a right left hand side angle. So from the 3 meters, we have to move 9 meters away, and the right hand side will be 10 meters. So we have to do this thing for 3 times to get the angle for fourth side. So after that we will be get accurate project side. These are the accurate project side we get after we done the measuring.